Hi everyone, today's video is about sets again, but this time I am going to discuss union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, and complement of a set. So if you're not able to watch the first video of what about set, please watch that. It's all about introduction. Those are important terms we need to understand about sets. All right, so let's move on now, and I'm going to discuss these four things that are very important about sets. All right, so the first thing is union of sets. How do we define union of sets? So the union of two sets is a set containing all elements that are in A or B or both. Okay, so for example, we have two sets A 1 3 5, and then we have a set B 2 4 6. And the question is, what is A union B? So this symbol here, it looks like Q. That means union. So what's the union of set A and set B? Now, to answer that question, here we go. The answers are, the answer is this set 1, 2 that has these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as you notice, for set A, we have this 1, 3, and 5. And then for set B, we have 2, 4, and 6. So basically, it's just the combination of all the elements of set A and B. Okay, so that's the union of two sets. Now, what about the second one? Intersection of two sets. So the intersection of two sets A and B denoted by this. So that symbol means intersection consists of all elements that are both in A and B. So basically, this is an element or elements that are common in A and B. For example, okay, so here we have set A 2, 3, 4, and then set B we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. All you need to do is to identify the common element or elements of the two sets. And here we can see there's no 2 here, but there's a 3. And then we have the 4. So there you go. What is the intersection of A and B? That's 3 and 4. All right. Now let's go to the third one, which is the difference. The difference or subtraction is defined as follows. The set A minus B consists of elements that are in A but not in B. Let's see. So we have a set A which is 3, 5, and 8. And then we have a set B which is 2, 3, and 7. And the question is, what is A minus B? So A minus B, we can clearly see that there's a common term here, which is 3. Right? So we can cross that out. The remaining elements, I said term earlier, so I mean element. So there's a common element 3. I cross out the 3, which is common. And then what's left are the elements 5 and 8. And there you go. That's the answer, 5 and 8. And then finally, complement of a set, which is almost the same as difference, but in complement of a set, there is what we call a universal set. Okay, so here we go. Oh, yeah. So the complement of a set is the set that includes all the elements of the universal set that are not present in a given set. Okay, so there's a given set. And then there's a universal set. And all the elements that are not in another set that are in universal set, that's the complement of a set. Okay, so I think I just paraphrased the definition, but let me give you an example here. Okay, so we have set U, which is the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and then we have a set A 4, 5, 7, and 8. So what is the complement of A? So this is the symbol for complement, and then so the first thing we need to do is let's identify the elements that are in set A that are also in the universal set. So you have 4, you have 5, 7, and then 8. Now the remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9, They are a set that is considered a complement to set A. So that's 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9, which is, is similar to difference. Okay, so those are the four things, important things about set that we need to remember. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like this one. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.